Hi everyone, today we are going to work on adding some spins when we walk around the pole. Let's get started. So we're going to start on our right side, bringing our right hand nice and high. We're going to step with our right foot and then cross with our left, step with our right again. And this time we're going to bring this outside leg and our outside arm towards the pole. We're going to place the pole between our index finger and our thumb with our palm facing the ceiling. As we stand on our left foot, we're going to put all of our weight there and rotate through, grabbing the pole with our right hand as our weight comes back to our right foot and face the pole. So let's try that again. We'll go right, left, right, outside left leg and arm come through, palms facing the ceiling, weight goes onto that left foot, we spin across, weight comes back to the right foot, and right hand comes to the pole. Should we try it the other direction? So we're gonna do left, right, left. Our right foot is gonna come forward. Our right hand will come to the pole between the index finger and thumb, palm facing the ceiling. We're gonna rotate through that, bringing our weight back to our left foot, and our left hand can come back to the pole. So we have right, left, right, left. Outside hands coming through. Our weight comes onto our right foot. We're gonna spin through over our head. Weight's back to our left foot and left hand comes to the pole. One more time on that side. Left, right, left, right foot, right hand come to the pole. Put that weight on the right foot. Spin through to our left foot and left hand comes to the pole. How do we feel with that? Spinning through. Outside hand and foot. Spinning through. Outside hand and foot. Spinning through. All right. Now if you want to keep that going, what we can do is we'll step the outside hand and foot come in and we spin, re-grab up high, outside hand and foot, spin, outside hand and foot, spin, outside hand and foot, spin. Fun, right? We can do that the other direction. So outside hand and foot, spin, outside hand and foot, spin, outside hand and foot, spin. Another fun little thing that we can add in, instead of just small spins, is when we're walking, we can step out, bring a hand up, bring our foot out, and come back around the pole that way. So if we do a spin like we were doing, and then we do just a little more of a way to get around that pole. In the other direction, so we bring the foot out and back, come across, and behind the pole. So spin through. What do you guys think? These are some fun extra little spins to add in when you're transitioning between moves and just getting your way around that pole. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have lots of tips and tricks to share, lots of fitness stuff, and some try-on hauls, so be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and join me for some more fun. All right, everyone, take care, and I will see you all again soon. Bye.